let us first know what is navigation. There are three types of navigation options which we can utilize. First is nav host. Second one is nav graph. Third one is nav controller. These three options can be utilized. Uh, Now let us understand what nav host, nav graph, and nav controller basically means. Say for example, you are in a loading screen of some application. Now for application that is used in Android phone, you probably will have a vertical screen like this. Say for example, there is an option of profile, which if you press will show your credentials. So this is a screen. At first you are getting a screen which will be rendered using this nav host option. Nav host will render this screen which will be displayed in front of you. Now after pressing this profile button, you will be taken to another screen where it will show your credentials. Yeah, credentials. So this screen will be rendered again using this option nav host only. But nav graph, what it will do is that after pressing this button, the location of the screen where it will take you, the screen that the nav host should render right now will be saved. The location will be saved in this nav graph option. So nav graph will have the location of, say, the second screen, the next screen that you will be utilizing, and nav host will be rendering that specific screen that you want to use, and nav controller will be used to control them both. Say, let us take the example that I just took. If you press this profile button, what will happen next? That will be controlled by this nav controller option. Nav controller will search, will fetch the information from nav graph, and it will show which screen to render right now. It will present the screen to nav host, and nav host will render the current screen. Say here you have a back option. Okay, after pressing this back option, you will again be taken to this initial screen. Now who will do this? So nav controller will fetch the information, the fetch the location from nav graph, and nav host will render this initial screen again. So this is what happened in the screen, you can say, in the multiple screen application, and this is the job of navigation. Now I have made a phone application. Let us see if I can show you that. Yes, through here I have made a student companion app. I have also implemented it and downloaded it in my Android. I will add that screen recording after this lecture video. So here you can see that I have made two Java files. First Java file is for the profile section, like the first overview of the application. When you enter the application, what you will be seeing. So you will be seeing a profile option and an about application option. Now this about application button won't work because I haven't added any functionality of this I mean of this button yet. But this profile option will work as I have added a profile activity Java file and a profile activity XML file, which will be used for the design, which will be used for the showing the design. So here you can see that if you press the profile button, from here you will be taken to this page where it will show my profile, then the credentials of mine, and then back option. Now if you press the back button, it will take you to I mean the initial page. Now where will this option, like the functionality of this option, the code of this option, where will we save this? In the profile activity dot java. Here you can see button. Why? Because the button is present in profile page. This is the profile page. Okay, and these two options will have its functionalities in this main activity.java. Here you can see profile and button about. So yeah, here you can see that I have only added the button profile ka job. What it will do, I have added that only, not the button about. So the button about won't work. So using XML file, we just basically designed the overview, designed the front view of how it should be happening, like the front end you can say, and the back end has been done using Java in the .java file. Now if you run this program, can I not just, okay, whatever. Let us just run this application. So I have taken Android 5 for this. So most of the application, most of the mobile phones will support Android 5 uh, in current scenario. So yeah, let us just wait when it just builds. Here is my virtual device. Here, here is my mobile app. This will be the front overview, the front end. If you press the profile button, it will take you to this page. Here, this is the heading, my profile, my credentials, and then the back option. It will also work like this. So yeah, this is a two-screen application that I have built using Java, .java and .xml files. Backs the about app button won't work because as I've already told, I haven't added any about app.java file. So yeah, this is the app functionality in my virtual device. I've also created a application over through it. How did I make it? So I basically went there, I went to build, and then I went to generate APK bundles, and I have located it to, I mean, let me just show you this. Uh, so these are the options that I have basically used to make the app. Generate app bundles and then generate APKs. Let me minimize this, and I don't know how to minimize this, so let us just open my files. No. Okay, so here the Android Studio, Student Companion app, application, build, output, if I'm not wrong, APK, debug. Yeah, so this is the application which is shareable. As you can see, the size is 6.5 MB, 6.3 MB. So yeah, this is a shareable APK file which I have shared to my mobile phone using WhatsApp, and I have installed it over there, and I'll be adding the video with it, that how is it working in my mobile phone. It will be working the same way I show you right now in my virtual screen, but yet I will just, for um, for just visibility purposes, I will also show you how this works in my mobile phone. So yeah, let's see. Okay, so this is my mobile phone where I have downloaded and installed this application of mine, Student Companion app. जैसे कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं 6.59 MB का ऐप है, and if I press the back button and then open it, so this is my app preview. About app will not work as I haven't coded that. टू स्क्रीन मैंने ऐप बनाया है. प्रोफाइल में क्लिक करेंगे तो इस प्रोफाइल पेज में आप आ जाएंगे. फिर प्रेसिंग बैक बटन you will come back to this initial page. So this is the application. I can click back and that's it. So I'll be adding this video with the previous one. Thank you.